Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit reels using Capcut on your mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Capcut application on my mobile phone, and to create an Instagram reel, we can use template in Capcut. You can go to the templates menu, and here you'll be able to get a lot of templates for your Instagram reels. As you can see, there are a lot of categories. And if you want to search for a specific theme, you can go to the search menu and you can enter the keyword. For example, I'm just going to search for aesthetic template. Okay. And you can choose the template that you like. For example guys, I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to use this template. Okay, we can click on use template, and then we're going to replace the videos in the template with our own videos. And as you can see, we need to select 8 items, and I'm just going to pick a random video from my gallery. Right, I'm going to select this video, this one, this one, this one, and also this one. Right guys, okay, just like this. And now 8 items have been selected, and then I'm going to click on next. Okay, and then you can replace the audio if you want. If you want to replace the audio on the template, you can go to the audio, just in case if you do not like the audio from the template. But I'm just going to use this audio. Okay, and then you can change the text styles as well. You can go to the edit to change the color, font, or the alignment. And again, I'm just going to leave it like that. Okay, I'm going to go back, and then once you're ready to export it, you can click on export, and I recommend you to select export without watermark, so this Capcut watermark will be removed from your video. Tap on export without watermark, and the video will be saved to your device without Capcut watermark. Okay guys, and that's all the way to edit reels using Capcut mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.